Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're hustling in the rain. We're gonna see how much money we can make from thrift stores in about 2 hours here with my friend College Picker.
What's up, guys?
Let's go. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, comes to you live from the inside of my tiny space pod. Today we're gonna hit up thrift stores really quickly, 2 hours, and see what we can find. We're here outside of a Savers. The proof is in the protein pudding, right?
And the rain on the window.
And the proof is in the rain on the window. It is a Savers. And we're gonna go in here and see if we can find anything good. And then I got this random thing, so maybe we can find something in here, you never know. I'm duking in the rain. Dude, it is raining hard. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Look in the glass case first. You know, I always find some pretty cool stuff in the glass case, but they will mark it up a little bit. I already looked at that last time.
15 bucks?
Yeah, but like the solds are 50 to like 100, and there's like no accessories. So,
well, I have them all at home.
Well, good for you.
That's exactly.
Those docks are cool for sure. I might pop on those. Some Greatland, old school Greatland duck boots, pretty sweet. You can hear the thunder outside. It is loud. Looking around for some bangers. Not the greatest bottom. This is one of 4 thrift stores we're going to see today. Maybe we'll see 5. I don't know yet, but at least 4 for sure. Oh, there's some cool pants right here. Revolvers? What are these things? Yep, they're revolvers. For $6.99. Well, that's a pretty decent price, actually. Some revolver, $38.36. Oh, there's another pair of really awesome cool right here. $6.99. These are nice. This is just by the way they feel. This is not the revolver. This is the Riders, RYDR. Let's see. Yep, Rider. My fingers, no. These are mint Riders too. They're in such good condition. This is 100% a buy. Check out this banger of a find. Aviator Nation, Austin City Limits tank top right there. Sick. $4.99. This is a buy for sure. Ew. 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 I feel good. 2 pairs of cool pants, a Rider revolver. You saw me pick them. I also got this Aviator Nation tank. That was super sick. That was $5. I spent $26 coming out the door for all this stuff. Strider bike, local resale. 40.
I didn't buy any of this. I didn't find
And a Kriega motorcycle 10-liter bag right here.
Oh,
Pretty awesome. Look at that. That's a $60 sale right there.
Dude, we gotta burn all these spider eggs. They're gonna get all inside your car.
Let's go to another stop. Thrift store number 2, Goodwill. Gonna check it out. I think the cool pants, if I lot them up together, it's like an $80 or $100 sale right there. Pretty easy, since they're the same size. And all the other stuff I discussed with you guys, but we'll see what we find in here. Who knows? What is it, Columbia? Did I get it right?
Long's Peak.
I got it right. It's a Columbia. I told you. What's that last one? Junkie?
Woman by Techno by Junkie.
It's a Cannondale sitting here. Wonder how much they want for a Cannondale. So yeah, I just found this Cannondale Terra right here, mountain bike with a head shock, basically a P-bone head shock. $20 out the door. Nah, I'm a TOP, super TOP. I think has resale of like $150 to $250. So I'm popping on that bike for sure. I got a Manfrotto tripod sitting in here for like $13 with 2 heads. So yeah, like major cheddar today, major. Little CP.
We got the charity salsa find.
Yeah, I found this in the kids section, salsa, vintage salsa jersey with a Western theme. This is probably a $60 or $70 jersey right here. I can tell it's vintage from all the sponsors, and you can tell that the way the sponsors are, and just their logos and stuff. And yeah,
the tag font and everything.
Looks great. Totally. And then you found actually a Sesame Street Pearl Zumi.
Bert and Ernie, fall 2006.
Yeah, this is probably a $37 to about $55 sale.
I didn't look it up.
But it is.
I've never found this jersey before, but it's sick.
Anyway, so yeah, that's what we found. And I found that tripod, so I got this tripod right there, that bike back there. Sick. Third thrift store. We did go to a pawn shop. We didn't find anything in the pawn shop, but Salvation Army thrift store. You can find some cool vintage t-shirts here, among other cool things. If you guys are liking these vlogs, make sure you hit the like button. It's absolutely imperative, and leave me a comment because I read them when I'm bored. I'll read all the comments. Cool bike, man. Oh, thought of it as a fake Hokas. What are those? Those are interesting.
Bruno Mark?
Nope, not good. Now, see, this is like a new kind of bin that just came out, so you should definitely look into this. Hey, check it out. A C210. It's used though. Still good though. $4.99. Look this up. This is a good FBA thing. I don't see anything yet. Nothing stands out. I'm hunting hard for that cheddar, guys. I'm doing it for you, not for me, but for you. Mostly for me. All right, so I'm waiting for CP to be done. I think he's found something pretty cool. I'm sitting here looking at this mirror. Ladies, if you're a dated guy and you're finally in the bedroom and you see a mirror like this, freaking run. What the hell is going on with this? If someone loves this kind of stuff and stares at themselves in a mirror like this, problem. So what'd you get, CP?
We grabbed some vintage World Industries embroidered down there. They're shorts, button fly, and they have this huge reinforced butt pad for skateboarding, which is kind of
So these are skateboarding, right?
Yeah, like 90s skateboarding stuff.
Yeah,
like below the knee,
super
weird.
cool.
And we looked them up on eBay. There really wasn't a market for it, so based off of culture and history, you would think at least, I don't know, 40 bucks.
Nice find. Good willies. Super fun here. I mean, it's been a pretty good day so far. You never know. Could be amazing, more amazing.
It'd be better if the sun came out.
We were here yesterday, so it looks pretty bleak. Doesn't look too good. See a Hartman bag already. I can see a Hartman bag. It's kind of weekenderish. I'm personally gonna pass on this because the ones that I sell are the canvas one. The ones that I sell are the tweed ones or the leather ones. Those are the ones you really want to look for. This is a nylon kind of variant. It'll still sell. It's just a little bit more long tail than I want to mess with. So maybe College Picker wants it. It's possible.
I might still grab it. Nylon versus tweed versus leather.
That's just me.
And I don't really mind.
All right. So that was pretty much the thrift haul. It's the following morning and we're gonna start up another vlog, but I hope you enjoyed the content. We found some really cool things. I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.